This question is question 4. We're going to look at 4a, b and c. Right, so you've got a doctor who's measured the volume of air in the lungs of 2 people over a period of 7 seconds. So you've got person A and person B. And it says here the 2 people were breathing out during the time shown. What evidence in the table supports this statement? So they were exhaling, and the obvious answer is that the volume decreases. So in terms of your answer, you just need to say the volume decreases. So let's move on to part B. Right, part B then is a little bit of maths we have to do. Calculate the rate at which person A breathed out of his lungs, interesting it's a male, between 0 and 3 seconds. Show your workings. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you identify that we're dealing with person A, that person there, and person A only. And you need to show your working. There are 2 marks going for, 2 marks going for this question. If you look down here, here's the 2 marks. You need to make sure that you get both of those marks. They've given the units for you, which is decimetre cubed per second. So that's litres per second, so you don't need to worry about the units, you just need to get the right numbers. So it's between 0 and 3 seconds. So let's find out where we're looking. So we start off with, at 0 seconds they have 6.5 litres, and at 3 seconds they have 2.3. So there's obviously a reduction. So what we need to do is find a bit of space, 6.5 to 2.3. Now we've got to do the space. So they started with 6.5, it's now gone down to 2.3, and that happened over 3 seconds. Okay, so the answer will be 6.5 take away 2.3 will give us 4.2. Divided by 3 gives an answer of 1.4. You get 1 mark for the answer and 1 mark for the working out. Okay, part 4c. Person B has emphysema. Give 1 piece of evidence. You only have to give 1 piece of evidence, okay, that's showing that that person has emphysema. So you go back to your chart and you'll notice that actually they had more air in their lungs at the start, but they had less. They had more air in their lungs at the end. Sorry, that was an incorrect. So there's lots of things you can write down here, but basically the rate at which they're releasing air from their lungs, they went from 7 down to 5.1 in the same time that this person went from 6.5 to 2.3. So what you can say is that the amount of air going from 6.5 to 2.3, if we go back to our original question, was 4.2 litres of air, and this person's actually only removed from their lungs 1.9 over that period of time. Oh dear, let's stop recording then, I'll carry on. So this person over that period of time, 3 seconds, has got rid of 4.2 litres. This person's got rid of 1.9, so therefore the flow rates are much less. So you can say there's less air breathed out, there's more air left in the lungs, or there is reduced air flow rates. And that will give you that mark that's sat just there.